रिजल्ट की राह देखते सीबीएसई के क्लास 10 के छात्रों का इंतजार खत्म हो गया है। बोकारो के एआरएस पब्लिक स्कूल के लड़कों के टॉपर और उनकी ट्विन अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है। उनसे जानते हैं क्या है उनके सफलता का मंत्र। सबसे पहले हमें बताएं कि आप दोनों ने जो मार्क्स हासिल किया है, क्या आपने ये एक्सपेक्ट किया था?
Yes, I'm happy with my marks and I expected what I got, but I could have done better.
So I messed up my maths exam, but I still thought I might get a bit above 90, but I think I expected this much.
अच्छा, मुझे बताएं कि इस मार्क्स को हासिल करने के लिए आपने क्या तैयारियां की थी, क्या रूटीन रहता था आपका?
I didn't have a much busy or a hectic schedule, and I'm not used to getting up early, so basically I used to wake up at 8:30 or 9, and I used to study late at night, like till 11:30 or 12, and I managed to revise most of the subjects in a day and complete all of my subjects without leaving one for the other day.
I am not a morning person, so I used to get up around 8 or 9, but I managed to study all the subjects each day to keep myself revised, so that was helpful.
अच्छा, आप दोनों से मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि आप सेल्फ स्टडी में बिलीव करते हैं या ट्यूशन प्रेफर करते हैं?
I obviously believe in self-study because that's how I prepared for my 10th exam. So it's good to study on your own because you know what you don't know and what you do. And tuitions are also fine.
I believe in both of them equally, but I do like a bit of guidance from others, so I might go for tuition.
अच्छा, आगे फ्यूचर में आपका क्या प्लान है?
My future plans have always been stuck to one thing, which is becoming a doctor. And to be particular, I always wanted to be a cardiologist or a neurosurgeon.
My future plans are becoming an architect or an engineer from Indian Institute of Technology. So for that, I'll have to crack G, which I'm preparing for.
जो बच्चे अभी 9 से 10 में गए हैं, उन्हें आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So for the students who have just moved to 10th, so for them the best advice is to complete all the syllabus as soon as possible so they can do more of sample papers and extra questions. That's very helpful in board exams.
What I would like to tell them is that when you study in school, you make sure you revise them at home, because once you do that, you won't need extra revision during the time of exams.
अच्छा, आप दोनों कौन कौन से बुक प्रेफर करते थे पढ़ाई के वक्त?
So boards, what I have heard from is always based on NCERT, so you make sure that you literally go through every page of NCERT. But if you would like some extra knowledge, then you can use any other books like MTG, they are good too.
Yes, boards are always based on NCERT, and first thing you have to do is always read NCERT thoroughly, each activity and everything. But when you're done, you can go for MTG, HC Verma and RD Sharma.
मैं दोनों से जानना चाहूँगी कि क्या आपकी खेल कूद में रुचि है?
Yes, I do play sports and I do play games when I'm free because it keeps me stress free and it's fun. But when I study, I only study.
I do like playing games, and I prefer football and badminton, but not always.
क्या आप दोनों में से किसी को भी कभी ऐसा लगा कि पढ़ाई के कारण मेरे स्टडी पर इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है?
I don't think playing games did affect my studies. Instead, it made me stress free, so it helped me study better and with a clean mind.
For sports, I don't think it affected my studies at all, because when it was time for studying, I didn't really go forward for playing games.
अच्छा, क्या कभी ऐसा मन करता था कि अब नहीं पढ़ना, मन नहीं कर रहा है, तो ऐसे में आपने क्या किया?
I did lose my motivation for studying because we had to shift from Bahrain and come to India during the board season, which is very problematic, and it was a bit difficult to cope up with everything when you have missed a lot of studies.
Yes, even when I shifted from Bahrain to India, it was quite hectic. I was not able to study well, and all I used to think about was back in Bahrain. But then my parents motivated me that you should start slowly, and it helped me, and I got good grades.
अपनी सफलता का आप दोनों क्रेडिट किसे देना चाहेंगे?
The credit I would like to give is to the director and the principal of my school ARS, because they were the only schools who were ready to accept the paperwork done to get admission in the board class 10 after shifting from another school, which most of these schools weren't able to do.
So yeah, I would like to thank the principal and director of ARS for the very same reason, and also my teachers who helped me back in Bahrain, and my parents the most, because for motivating me to keep studying.
बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छी बातें बताई कि उन्होंने कैसे एक देश से दूसरे देश में आकर अपनी पढ़ाई को कंटिन्यू रखा। बच्चे बहरीन में रहते थे, जहाँ की पढ़ाई और पढ़ाई का तरीका इंडिया से बिल्कुल अलग था, और यहाँ आने के बाद CBSE के कुछ रूल्स के कारण स्कूल्स इन्हें अपना भी नहीं रहे थे। फिर एक स्कूल में इनका एडमिशन हुआ, लेकिन चुनौतियाँ फिर भी थी, क्योंकि वहाँ के पढ़ाई के सिस्टम और यहाँ के सिस्टम में बहुत डिफरेंस है। बच्चों का पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर ही चेंज हो गया। फिर भी उन्होंने हार नहीं माना और पढ़ाई करते रहे। इनके पेरेंट्स ने भी इन्हें मोटिवेट किया, और अब अंत में इनका रिजल्ट इनकी मेहनत को खुद बयां कर रहा है। इस तरह की जानकारियां हम आप तक पहुंचाते रहेंगे। बने रहे द टाइम्स मीडिया पर।
बने रहें thetimesmedia.com पर। आप हमें Facebook और YouTube पर भी देख सकते हैं।